Hey guys, welcome back to day 8 with 15 days of challenge with the elementary. And my name is @NG and I'm so excited to be here with you guys today. So we have been receiving so many comments, letter and message from our students in which they saying they were enjoying these experiments a lot at home and they've been trying several of them. And today we're gonna do something that is pretty much interesting, especially for some of the girls who is watching. Let's check it out. So but today we tend to do a bath bomb. So how we're gonna do this is pretty easy. Alright, so we have here a cup of baking soda, which is very easy to get at any supermarket. Cornstarch, a little bit of salt, like this one. A little bit and the acid citrics. This one is pretty interesting that you can do for your volcano experiments some days later. We need a mount, which is basically to folding the foams when you are finished. Also to make the bath bomb to smell nicely and soft within your skin. We got a little bit of oil here. So alright, let's check it. Let's get started. Okay, so you put the mold, put the bath bomb into the mold like this. Alright, so now I will open this bath bomb to see what is the amazing inside this mount. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So you need to be really careful. Alright, so you put it in a very nicely dish here. Right, so you got an amazing bath bomb. So you can make it to become a gift or put it in your old bathtub. So there are tons of amazing ideas for you to mix the color to make the most beautiful bath bombs out of this very simple ingredient. So I hope you like it during your social distancing periods at home, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to the elementary. Bye and see you for the next day.